clog at the toilet, but you don't want to call plumber. Check this out. This is a high pressure toilet plunger air drain blaster designed to help clear through the clogs quickly. Let's open two gloves. This is our parts. This is our remover. This is our kitchen. This is our toilet. The other part is the glove. You can use like that. Clog remover, rain clog remover. Okay. And one sink snake. And this is the sink snake. That's what they sent. Now how to do? Okay, this one I'm going to put it like that. Okay. Of course, first wear your gloves. First, we're going to put this one like that. We're going to give the air here. Then we're going to press that air the toilet. Okay, let's do it some. Okay, look at this is the air pressure. So I'm going to make 40. If it's so drain, you can make more. Then we are going to remove this one. Okay. And we are going to put this one. We are going to release the air with this button. We are going to push this button and it's going to give air pressure. Okay, look at I press the air. This is the sink remover. I'm going to place like that. Okay, this one and touch the button. It's easy and simple. So I'm going to show you the bathroom sink. Again, the process is same for pressing air. Put it this one. Okay, just like that. And push. Simple and easy. You can use for sink, shower, bathtub, and floor drains. Another feature is to include different parts. Okay, as I showed before, you can use this one as a helper of struggling with traditional pluggers. The air-powered drain blaster is definitely checking out. Thank you for watching.